BigF82 on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. I wanted to do a quick review of my car. Thanks to Amy for organizing. I have a BMW M4 that was converted from a base model in 2015. I was probably one of the first wave to get an M4, and from then it's progressed on to several different phases. Pretty much everything has been done from A to Z. It's been converted into a full GT4 on the exterior. Suspension, interior has been converted into a GTS. It has a lot of carbon lightweight parts. These are all the tracks I've been on, multiple configurations. KMP detachable race wheel. It was refinished in GTS Alcantara with a 12 o'clock silver stone to match the dash. BBS FIRs, they were custom refinished by Supreme. We added the GTS Brembo 380mm brakes. We did racing lugs. Then you have Future Classic, one of my favorite mods. They sponsored the car by giving us these really cool numbered track numbers. They have all the sponsors on the car. Come around to the side skirts. These are made by ATR. We have a little winglet on the bottom there. We have the GTS matching belt and toe straps. Full GT4 exhaust. New GT4 suspension, you can't fall on it. And the KW Coiloverse 3-ways. DC300 custom painted winglets with the gurney flap.